Organic peanut production is centered in West Texas, with some estimates indicating as much as 98% of all organic peanuts in the U.S. are being produced in the region. With the ability to apply fungicide and herbicides, both at planting and during the season, is a major factor in how organic peanuts are managed. This also results in poor germination and stand establishment, which is also a factor in weed control throughout the season. The Texas A&M AgriLife Research Peanut Breeding Program initiated an evaluation of current germplasms in 2020 in an on-farm trial in Tarrant County, Texas. 20 breeding lines and cultivars were evaluated. Each entry was replicated 3 times without the commercially available seed treatment. Plots were planted on 5-15-20, and each were randomized in complete block design in 1 meter by 3 meter plots. The stand counts were taken on days 7, 14, 21, and 28 days. A drone was flown on the day of each stand count for correlations with hand measurements. This project will be repeated in 2021 and expanded on in order to develop breeding lines specifically suited for the unique needs of organic peanut producers. 16 advanced breeding lines and commercial checks were evaluated for emergence in 2020 season. Analysis of the variance in Fisher's least significance difference test was conducted on the data that was collected. Data analysis is ongoing, however, the results for plant height is presented. Analysis of the variance was highly significant. A p-value of less than 0.0130, Fisher's least significance difference test for a plant to have the tallest plant height at 49.3 centimeters and 49.32 to have the shortest with a height of 43.7 centimeters. The LSD report, which is on the bottom right of the table, shows the difference in plant height. Plants with the same letter besides them, such as A, are statistically different than the bottom plant with the letter C, which is 49.32 and has shown to have disease and nematode resistance. Excessive plant height can be an issue at digging and in less than desirable because it can cause a plant to not invert properly. This results in issues with field drying and increased harvest losses. However, we are still analyzing data at this time, and the only data that is being presented is on plant height. We will also be analyzing yield, grade, UAV correlation, and disease resistance. A total of 16 breeding lines and 4 check varieties were evaluated in 2 locations. One of the checks under evaluation are from germplasm that was released before the commercial fungicides and were commonly available and is being evaluated for seedling disease and pod rot resistance. Our intention is to use these yields and quality data as well as height and disease resistance data to establish a program focused on the needs of organic peanut producers.